Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a quick Michaels haul. I don't think I did this one before because it's still sitting here in the bags. So I'm going to run through it really quickly. I got the cute little hedgehog or porcupine from Michaels. The little $2 stamp. Very cute. I got these stamps. I got them because they said they have the word grace. They're in their new lettering and journal planner section, and they are made so that you can stamp them and then practice your lettering. But there are some great, breathe is a great word, choose, joy, grace, wish, deeply, you belong here. So I picked those up. They're actually very reasonable. They're like $2.99 for the set, and there's like 4 or 5 different sets. I picked up these beads. I have something that I need to make, and they were $2, regular $7.99. Well, there might be a bead missing or something, I don't know, but I liked them and they were different. I picked up a package of the 50 envelopes. I needed these for kits, so I picked those up to use in the packaging of kits. I think they were on sale, like for half, 50% off. I picked up these stickers, and let's see. These were in clearance for $1.49, and there's 150 pieces, and they are gold, so I think they'll be perfect. I know that they'll be sticky notes, so you won't get, some of them won't work, but that's okay. I got these also to use in some books that I have coming up. I got the sewing machine for $1.99. I've been looking at this for so long. I think it'll be really awesome on the cover of a sewing journal. I wish they had more at that price. Let's see. I picked up 2 of these coloring calendars. They were regularly $14.99, on clearance for $5.99, but when I got up to the check stand, actually when I check everything at the checker, the little red price checker, and they were $1.49, and that's why I bought 2 of them, and they're really quite cool. They had a couple different ones. This was in their actual clearance section. And yeah, it's a lot of times, you know, the things with a sticker, if you check them at the checker, they'll even be cheaper. So they're going to have a saying on most of them. Let's see if we can get this open. This one, I've already opened the other one. It's in a box over there, in a project box. It has a lot of like drink recipes, which I thought was kind of fun. So there's flowers, there's words, lots of flowers, and then Irish coffee. Oh, I'm going to take that one out. So that's for March 17th. St. Patrick's Day has Irish coffee. And so I'm going to take that out because I have a St. Patrick's Day thing to do coming up. So there's succulent things, celebrate. So there's just, I mean, I was like so excited to find this. Wine, dreamer. And I love the perpetual calendars because you're getting 365, actually this one, your Saturdays and Sundays are together, so say over 300, and they're usually all different, whether it be that, whatever it is that you've picked out for your calendar. I've got those other ones that are two-sided, but these ones are literally one side, and they will, so I think they're going to be amazing. I picked up some more of the place cards. This time I got the ones with the peach stripe around them for $2.99. I like them because they're different. They're actually a place card, so I'll show you. so it's like a tent card. Okay, so you can glue it onto your book or your paper, and if you put it at the top, you're able to, or on the side, so it's kind of, you got a tab, and then you're able to open it up and write in there. So I think that's kind of cool. So there, and that was in the wedding section. I always go look at the wedding section because you just never know. I got some of the little bead findings in copper for $1.99 and in nickel. No, these say nickel free. These are eye pens, so they have the little hole at the bottom. I got a Cupid stamp. I like him because he's that pencil drawing that I like, that when you just take and stamp one of these pencil drawings on, you don't need to do anything else to them. You can, but you don't need to. I got this rose. It's actually 2 roses. I got this stamp in the $1.50, $2 section. I liked it because it goes along with, if you're using, and I have been using the coloring books in my my things. So that was kind of cool. Now this was in the clearance. I think they charged me 50 cents or $1 for it. And it is labels that are faith-based. And of course they use tape, so you lose the whole outside ones, but still. Okay. So has count your blessings, amen, rejoicing in. So it gives you some stickers. They are matte, so that they're going to be easy to write in. I'll be able to use these ones that have tape on them anyway, because I'll put them on a collage, something collagey. And let's see. So I don't remember ever seeing these regular. Okay. And these were at our store, this store, they were in a closeout basket. Okay, so this is just little tab labels, different colors. Okay, and it's sticky back. So be able to use this in anything. And then this one. Yeah, I don't remember ever seeing these. Did you ever see these? So the prayer list. There you go. Ready to go in your book. And look at, there's a teal one. Yay! I'm always looking for teal stuff for seems to be a popular color for prayer journals. Okay, so I did get a couple more things. I got some of these very large cards. They're 5 by 6.5. There's 100 pieces in here, so there's cards and envelopes. And I got those to go with the C'est La Vie. Let me see where that's at. Okay, so this little C'est La Vie, or Ooh La La, sorry. The little paper pack, and I was able to get one more, so I have 2 of these that I'll be able to use, and I love it. I have a kit that is going to be based on this, but I'm not able to find any more of these paper pads, so it's probably going to be a kit based on that, but you're going to have, if you can find one of these and you want to be working along to one of my kits, then you might want to pick one of those up. Okay, so I also got this paper pad because it also matches. I have one of these already and I love it. I have used it for baby stuff. I've used it for tea stuff. Look at those. Beautiful roses. Beautiful roses on, she believed she could, so she did. This actually made a beautiful postcard. This right here and this right here, just cut out. So don't be afraid of these. Oh, look at this with the teacups. So I picked this up. It was the regular, I think they were half off. And I was like, that's okay. I'll take that. Oh, you know what? No, this was $7.99. I think this one was on sale for $7.99. Let me see. The receipt is here somewhere. Let's see. Okay. I bought a lot of stuff. Cards and envelopes. $7.99. Yeah, so this was on clearance for $7.99. One of their regularly $19.99 paper pads. It's not a hot buy. So, yeah, so gold foiled. Lots of the pages are gold foiled. It'll probably tell us on the front how many. Nope. So it's called Garden Party. There's 48 sheets. 24 with foil. 24 with gold foil. Okay? So that is my little Michael's haul. I actually went back to get another one of these. And I ended up with all of this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.